Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Mailshake for cold email SEO outreach. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Mailshake for cold email SEO outreach, begin by visiting the Mailshake website. Click on the sign up button if you do not have an account. If you already have an account, click on log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Click on Create Campaign to start a new outreach campaign. Choose the type of campaign you want to run, such as a cold email or follow-up sequence. After selecting the campaign type, proceed to name your campaign. Next, you will configure your email settings. Connect your email account by clicking on Settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Mailshake to access your email. Make sure to verify your sending address to improve deliverability. Now, create your outreach email content. Click on Compose Email to open the email editor. Write a compelling subject line that grabs your recipient's attention. In the body of the email, briefly introduce yourself and your purpose. Be sure to personalize the email using dynamic fields like the recipient's name. Once your email is drafted, check for any spelling or grammatical errors. You can also preview the email to see how it will appear to recipients. Next, import or add your target contacts to the campaign. You can upload a CSV file or add contacts manually. After importing your contacts, set your sending schedule. Decide how many emails you want to send per day to maintain compliance. Finally, review all settings and content before launching. Click on the Launch Campaign button to start your outreach efforts. Monitor campaign performance through the dashboard analytics. Adjust your strategy based on the data you gather from your. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.